Hey guys, so we're gonna do a reaction video, and I'm gonna show Riker the original Smash Brothers commercial because we're gonna start streaming our gameplay for playing the new Smash Brothers for the Switch because Riker is hilarious. So, you ready, Riker? This is the original one, the one for the N64. You remember that system?
No.
Remember when we played it on the original Zelda? Or not the original, the Ocarina of Time? You remember that one? Okay, ready? Tell me what you think. Uh-oh.
The only one for me is you.
Something's gone wrong in the happy-go-lucky world of Nintendo. Introducing Super Smash Brothers, where all your favorite characters go toe-to-toe in one 4-player star-studded slam fest, only on Nintendo 64.
What'd you think?
Funny.
Okay, let's see one more here. One more.
If you write anything
commercial.
on your computer, you need to get Grammarly.
I
You
write
excited
pretty
to
much
play the new
all
one,
day,
Riker?
every day, and Grammarly.
Okay, let's see what happens here. Oh, this is the opening. You haven't seen this before, have you? Look at.
There's Mario.
Should we do a reaction? This one or the new one? This one's pretty cool though, right? Play this one. We got two. We got the 64 one. We got the Japanese version that we got from
Uncle Peter.
Uncle Peter.
I want to do this
And
one.
we got this one. The Switch one.
You see?
So we're gonna play that sometime,
I
okay?
want to do this one.
Oh, so you want to play the 64 one now? Okay, guys, thanks for watching. So we'll have some gameplay next time. Have a good day.